We're doing an Easter egg hunt with Aunt Kathy's eggs.
That's two.
Whoa, you found another one. Good job. Say thanks, Aunt Kathy. Whoa, that's cool. Where's the rest of them? I see one in the grass. Good job. Yay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Chloe, look. Yeah. Oh, that's so fun. I think I see one over there somewhere.
What? Where? Over here? 7.
Yay, good
Let's
job.
keep looking.
Whoa, this is fun, huh? I see some by your little trees, I think. What do you think? Whoa, that's a big one.
Under the tree, that's 8.
Cool. Huh? Is there any over here?
What about there?
Whoa, yeah, look.
Whoa.
Cool.
9.
Good job, honey. Good job. Trying to stay ahead of me. Woohoo!
I got it.
Whoa, good job. Is this fun?
There's about 3 more.
Oh. Dada's silly. They're raining out of the sky. What you think? Look by your picnic table.
Oh, 2.
Oh, yay.
I think there's one more.
Oh,
Somewhere.
goodness.
Somewhere. There it is. Yay!
Good job, Peanut.
Look at all the eggs you found.
Yay!
Good job. You found
Hey.
them all.
We made a video for Aunt Kathy. Can you look in the phone and tell her thank you? She's the one that gave you the eggs. Chloe, get up on your slide and say, thanks, Aunt Kathy.
I'm not going to do it.
Chloe, please say thank you. Just say thank you. Yell it out. Go, thanks, Aunt Kathy. You want to say it together with Dada? Or all of us together? Yeah. Okay, ready? I think I can get it.
Thank you,
Aunt
Aunt Kathy.
Okay.
You're going to go on your side?